Hello, today I'm sharing how I made this Ankara bag with a long strap to go across my shoulders. So today I already cut my pattern and I cut, because I'm doing a reversible, um, I folded the bag to repeat it on the other fabric. However, whatever size you want your bag to be, just make sure you cut the little squares in the corner because that's going to give the shape of the bottom of the bag, if that makes sense. So right here is about 1 inch by 1 inch, if I'm not mistaken, or 1.5 by 1.5. But yeah, then I go ahead and cut the top of it because of course I want them to be the same size. And what I'm going to do next is you can press it out to get some of the wrinkles. Now to make the straps, the width is normally about 4 inches, and I fold it in half and press it halfway down the entire length of whatever strap you have. This works for a short strap, long strap. Today I'm doing an extra long, and I'll definitely come back and share my regular size bags, but I was kind of in a rush to share this one. Hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, so I'm using my little heat press to do that, and it's amazing. So then you can fold on the inside. As you can see, I'm taking it and folding it 1 inch inside, and I'm going to press that all the way down. And then I'm going to go and press the other side the same way. And the smaller irons allow you to have a much better seam and evenly distributes, the heat where it needs to be in those small spaces. So yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and fold both of them together next, and then I'm going to go across it one more time. And when I take it to my machine, I'm going to sew the open side. I'm going to go all the way down, and I'm going to sew it about 1/4 of a seam. And don't forget the back stitch before you but when you first start, and then go ahead and sew it down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sew down the sides of both of my handbags. I back stitch and sew all the way down with the straight stitch. And then when it's time to do the corners, you kind of fold them together. The only thing I can think of is look like Pac-Man, but yeah, you're gonna open it up, fold them together. I use a couple of clips to keep them from shifting, and then I go across it with a straight stitch a couple times. Now I don't have a part for sewing the straps, but I hope you guys enjoy this mini tutorial. But yeah, till we meet again, guys.